Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel Power channel. My name is Alex and today I'm going to take you through the process of converting a table in PDF format to Microsoft Excel using only Microsoft Word application without a hassle of first installing other third-party softwares or using online converters. Many professionals use PDF files to share information, but normally the challenge comes when there is a need of converting the PDF back to Excel for further data analysis. So if you work with Excel spreadsheets, then it is very important to learn how to copy data from a PDF file to Excel. And if you copy and paste directly to Excel, it won't format as you would expect it, simply because Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets do not support the PDF file format. For instance, if I come to my PDF document and try to copy the table directly to Excel, I'm interested in table A4. Table A4, this is the table. I try to copy it together with its heading. I right click and copy, come to Excel, and paste it directly. Here you can see that it has pasted the table in one column, and sometimes it can paste it in one cell as a single line. And this is not the format I'm interested in. Now, to do it perfectly, I first open Microsoft Word application. And from this Word application, I click on File tab, I come to Open, then I browse to where the PDF file is stored. But now it is already pinned here in the recent documents, so I can open it directly here. When it opens, you scroll and look for the table you are interested in. So I'm interested in table A4. So this is the table I'm interested in, table A4. Now I want to copy it with its heading. So I select what I want. I copy it. I come back to Excel spreadsheet. In the Excel spreadsheet, I can now right click again and paste. So I can either paste by keeping the source formatting, or I paste to go with the destination formatting. So let me go with the destination formatting. I click, and here I get the data in the Excel spreadsheet. So I can now accordingly format and analyze the data using the Excel tools. This marks the end of this session. Hope it has been helpful. If you are new to this channel, kindly support by subscribing. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to check on the new uploads. Also, like, comment, and share with friends. We meet in the next one.